Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix TikTok verification code problem. So, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, whenever you're trying to log in into your TikTok account and you're wondering why you aren't receiving your verification code, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things you need to remember whenever you're trying to log in into your account. Now, one of them is making sure that you're using or you're entering the correct phone number. Sometimes having mistakes or miss or not entering your phone number correctly can actually result in not you receiving the actual code. So double check, triple check, or four or quarter check your mobile number and see if it's actually correct. Now, once it's actually correct and you're still not receiving it, well, the next thing you want to do here is you want to make sure that your signal is actually pretty strong. Now, typically at the top right of your screen next to your battery section, you should see your signal strength. Now, if your signal strength is actually pretty poor, it is suggested that you go somewhere the signal is pretty strong. Like for example, if you're within a concrete building, you might want to try going out or going to the window and see if your connection is actually a lot stronger. Now, if you have a lot stronger network on your mobile phone, then most likely you'll be able to receive your verification code. But if that doesn't work, there's still a few things you need to do here. Now, one of them is to make sure that your app or TikTok is up to date. Now, typically, you just need to go to Google Play Store here, go ahead and search for TikTok, and if you see the option that says update on TikTok, make sure to click on it to update the mobile app or TikTok to the latest version. Now, once you update TikTok here, go ahead and open it up and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you need to take in consideration here is your internet connectivity. Now, if your internet connectivity is actually pretty slow, then most likely that is the cause why you're having this issue. So typically, you go to your browser here, just type in speed test here. Let's just type in speed test. And from here, we have the speed test for Google. You could try it and click on run speed here and see if you have a fairly strong interconnection. Now, if you already have a fairly strong interconnection, you won't have any problems here. But again, if you have a poor interconnection here, then most likely that is the cause of this issue, especially if you have a very slow upload speed here as well. Now, another thing that you need to check here is going to be the servers for TikTok. Sometimes the issue itself is from TikTok itself. So you could just type in TikTok server status. Just press search on it and you should be able to see down detector here. Let's go and open it up. And from here, see if there are any outages. Now, if you see a big spike on this graph here, it means the issue itself is from TikTok and they are having issues on their server. Typically, they will solve this within the hour or two. You just need to wait for them to fix it. But once it's actually fixed, you could go ahead and try logging in again and see if that solves the issue. Now, lastly, if none of those actually works, the last thing that we could do here is to clear our cache. Sometimes clearing the temporary files within TikTok could actually help a lot. In this case, look for TikTok here, press and hold on it. Click on app info, and from here what we need to do next is we need to actually click on the clear data at the bottom right, click on clear cache and click on OK. Now from here, go ahead and see if that solves the issue, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.